Welcome back to another tutorial on how to design with Canva. Now in this lesson we're going to look at how to create a transparent text in Canva. So what I'll do is I'll head over here and click on create a design, and I'll just select a flyer. So this is what I'll work with. Then I'll come under here and choose a flower medal. See all, and then I'll choose a background for my flyer. So this looks good. I'll just click on that. Click on these three dots over here and set image as background. There we go. So I'll head over to text, click on add a heading, and I'll add my text. Select the text. Let's change the color. I want it to be white, and then change the font. So this is the font that I'll be using. This is the font that I'll be using to be able to make my text transparent. So I'll just click on that, and you can see immediately my text is changed and it's transparent. So what I'll do is I'll just resize this like so, and then you can reposition it. There we go. So basically that's how you create transparent text in Canva.